Hello and welcome back to the Decision Making Techniques. I'm Carolyn Verhoff, and today I'm going to be talking about a technique that you will probably go, that's not a technique, that's just avoiding things. And it's the wait and watch decision making technique. And lots of people do that. They might be a little bit procrastinating on a decision, that's true. But there are a ton of people out there that are just not wait and watch people. They're the jump in feet first, don't worry about the consequences type of decision making people. And sometimes they need to wait and watch. So watch out for those decisions that really do need a bit more of the wait and see. This is something I personally have had to learn over the last few years, to just sit back and let things happen a little bit before I jump in and make other big decisions. So it's definitely been worthwhile for me to sit and wait and watch as things unfold. So if you tend to be a jumping in person, practice some wait and watch for a little bit and just see how that changes the outcome, or perhaps changes your approach to decision making. So have fun this week with a little bit of wait and watch, but don't procrastinate. I'll talk to you soon. See you again.